Ever thought about how your current web hosting solution could be better? Let's introduce you to Google Workspace Web Hosting. This isn't just another hosting platform, it's a power-packed tool designed to revolutionize your work and skyrocket your productivity. Imagine a world where collaboration and web hosting go hand in hand, where your online presence is not just about emails and documents. That's what Google Workspace Web Hosting offers. It's not just about emails and documents, it's a complete game changer for your online presence. The first step towards a professional online presence is setting up your domain. This is your digital address, the place where people can find you on the vast landscape of the internet. With Google Workspace, this process is straightforward and simple. You can choose a domain that aligns with your brand, providing an immediate sense of who you are and what you do. This isn't just a URL, it's a first impression. Once you've selected your domain, it's time to register it. Google Workspace streamlines this process, guiding you through each step with ease. Whether you're securing your domain for 1 year or 10, Google Workspace has you covered. After registration, it's time to connect your domain to Google Workspace. This involves a few technical steps, but don't worry. Google Workspace has detailed guides to help you navigate this process with confidence. With Google Workspace, standing out online has never been easier. You're not just setting up a domain, you're establishing your professional identity in the digital world. Speed can make or break your website's user experience. In our digital age, a slow-loading website can send potential customers or clients fleeing faster than you can say buffering. That's where Google Workspace Web Hosting steps in. It's not just about hosting your website, it's about making sure your online presence is as efficient and effective as possible. With Google Workspace, your website isn't just up and running, it's sprinting. We're talking about a noticeable difference in load times, which can be the deciding factor in whether a visitor stays on your site or moves on to your competition. And it's not just speed we're talking about here, reliability is just as important. The last thing you want is for your website to crash during peak traffic times. With Google Workspace, you can expect consistent, reliable performance. So if you're looking for a web hosting service that won't leave you in the slow lane, Google Workspace is the way to go. Expect lightning-fast load times with Google Workspace. Collaboration is key in today's digital world, and this is where Google Workspace Web Hosting truly shines. One of its unique features is the collaborative web design. This isn't your typical web design process, no, far from it. Imagine a world where you can work on your website in real time with your team, no matter where they are in the world. This isn't just about convenience, it's about fostering a more collaborative and creative environment. It's about breaking down barriers, allowing ideas to flow freely. It's about bringing your team closer together, even when you're miles apart. With Google Workspace, you don't need to imagine this world, it's already here. Your website becomes a canvas and your team the artist. Together you can create, modify, and perfect your website in real time. It's teamwork taken to a whole new level. With Google Workspace, creating your website becomes a team effort. Security and productivity go hand in hand. When it comes to Google Workspace Web Hosting, rest assured that you're in safe hands. With cutting-edge security measures, your website data is well protected. Intrusion detection systems, secure SSL encryption, and automatic security updates are just some of the features that keep your website secure. Google's team of security experts work round the clock to ensure your data stays safe and your peace of mind stays intact. But that's not all. Google Workspace Web Hosting is also about increasing productivity. It doesn't operate in a vacuum. Rather, it integrates seamlessly with a wide array of tools and services. From project management tools like Trello and Asana, to analytics services like Google Analytics, it's all about streamlining your workflow for maximum efficiency. Imagine being able to track your website's performance, manage your team's tasks, and analyze your traffic all from one place. That's the power of integration. Google Workspace Web Hosting brings together all these tools under one umbrella, making it easier for you to focus on what matters most, growing your online presence. In conclusion, Google Workspace Web Hosting is not just about hosting your website. It's about providing a secure, integrated platform that enhances your productivity and lets you work smarter, not harder. Google Workspace Web Hosting provides security you can trust and integrations that streamline your workflow. So there you have it, Google Workspace Web Hosting, your all-in-one solution for a powerful online presence. This platform is a game changer, combining seamless domain setup, lightning-fast hosting, collaborative design, robust security, and productivity-boosting integrations. It's time to revolutionize the way you work and collaborate online. If you're ready to take your website to new heights, don't hesitate to give it a try. Remember, the link is right below in the description. Let's embrace the future of web hosting together.